What's up, everyone? Welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be going through and talking about SuperOne. Okay, I'm actually recording this video from my phone because the SuperOne application does run on the phone. You can also run it on your computer, but I find it easier if you run it on the phone because it requires you to have the Trust Wallet application. If you run it on your computer, you need the MetaMask application. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what the interface looks like, and to get access to this site, what you got to do is open Trust Wallet. Okay, and what will happen here is that it's gonna take you to the main page. Okay, so this is Trust Wallet. This is actually the browser, so I'm using the browser here. Here we go. Okay, so this is Trust Wallet. So what you got to do is, you've got wallet, you got browser, and you've got some other stuff here that I don't really know. Not really sure what this Dex is, but then you got settings. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is make sure you have the right amount of funds in Ethereum deposited into your Trust Wallet. Okay, once you got the amount of Ethereum deposited, then you go to browser, okay, and then you type in SuperOne, all right, and then you click on the search button, okay. And this is going to take you to the SuperOne website. So I myself, I've already joined up with this, okay. So but when you first sign up, when you first access SuperOne on this Trust wallet app, okay, it's gonna ask you to sign up. Okay, when you sign up, you have to input the referral code of the person who referred you to the program. So if you want to use my referral code is down the bottom of this video, okay, in the description, and simply just add that, click on join, and then you should be able to see something like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my account, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I've got a few referrals already. I've got people who have bought some packages, and what you can see here is you can see your network. So you can see your network, where your network is. So the people who have signed up under me, there's one from India, there's one from Malaysia, and that's Japan, that's me. There's one from Australia. So you can actually see where the people are, okay, the people who've signed up to this program using your link. Now, let me show you how much this thing's expanding. If I go to global network will show you, global network will show you all the people worldwide who have signed up for this program. Okay, so this is the USA. Let's just zoom in. So we've got a few people who've signed up in the USA. Now, actually, when you see these dots, it's not actually that many people. So, because we are in pre-launch, and the official launch date is April 27th. So we're still quite early because we're in the pre-launch. And when you think about it, right, this is America. America has, 300 million people. And there's only a few people who have signed up. Okay, these pink dots are people who have signed up. So let's go to other countries. Alright, so we've got Europe, okay. We zoom in. We've got a few people in different countries who have signed up. Okay, we've got the UK. Okay, let's keep going. We've got a lot of people a few people in Germany. A few people in Serbia, Romania, like 3 people in Romania. So this thing is still it's still fresh and new, so it was still really early. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go towards Saudi Arabia. So there's not many people who have signed up in Saudi Arabia. India, there's quite a few people. Asia, there's quite a few people in different countries. And let's go to Australia. Australia's only got just a few. There's not many people. Just a few people in Australia. Okay, so this is really brand spanking new. Okay, so and what you see here. Okay, these are the rewards I've gotten. So I've got a few people signed up, they paid and they bought a package, and I get rewards for that by referring people into the program. I actually bought the $500 package. So if you want to buy a package, you simply just go down. You can buy the package. Also here, you click on buy spots, okay, and it's going to take you to the buy spots page. So you can choose packages ranging from 100, 500, and 1,000, and it goes all the way up to, at this moment there's 2,500, but I believe that after they launch it, there's going to be higher packages. Okay, so these packages will allow you to earn credits and tokens. Okay, so you can use those credits to play games with other people online, and also you'll be able to get tokens. And the really cool thing about this is that currently the token price, if you go here to your SRX tokens, you click on more, all right, the current token price is $0.031. Okay, so I've only been in this program for just a few days, and the price of this token it's increasing every single day, slowly increasing. Okay, so currently it's $639. I think when I joined it was about $635. So the price is increasing, and if you want to just be an investor, you can simply just buy a package, invest in a package, and just hold it until the price of this token grows higher and higher, and the value is much higher. When the value becomes much higher, then it's really up to you if you want to decide to withdraw your from your tokens and then convert it into crypto funds. Okay, so that's how you earn as an investor. So, and this thing grows every single day. Okay, or if you want to build it, you can just build the business by referring people into the program and basically earning from that as well. And because we're currently in pre-launch, the company itself is basically getting all the big network marketers around the world to build a power leg. Okay, they're gonna build the power leg until the launch date, and I believe they're going to continue building the power leg for the months to come, so that they can distribute this application to people out there who actually like online gaming using mobile devices, which is really cool. So when people, they buy credits, okay, and if they use your link to buy credits, you earn from that as well. Okay, you earn from building the business and referring people into the program. Okay, and also you earn from the value of the SRS token going up as well. So there's 3 ways that you can actually earn from this. And one thing I really like about this is that it's just different. It's crypto linked with gaming, which is really different, and it's a very unique idea. So this thing, I believe that this program has the potential to actually become very big in the months to come. Okay, so really cool. So if you guys want to get signed up, I'm gonna have a link below this video. Make sure you guys get signed up, and then follow the instructions below this video, which is going to show you how to create your account, how to fund your account, and how to buy the package and get started. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. You guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon.